Hi everyone from the TradeXchange, and we want to just take a few minutes and update you on all the cool stuff that's happening with the TradeXchange. And we're just calling this what we do and what we're working on. So if you're a current subscriber, perhaps you were thinking about subscribing, perhaps you've been following us on Twitter or StockTwits, what a great way to just show you guys what we do on a daily basis for starting at around 6 a.m. or so, and we'll go through about 4:35 p.m. So an awesome every day, just to kind of see what our subscribers see on a daily basis. So we're calling this light streamlined information, and the reason is we have a great morning routine. So at the top of your screen, you see a morning routine. We started around 6 a.m. And this is with analyst activity, and this is with your insider transactions you'll get from overnight and company filings. That's also provided into the forum. You'll see your analyst actions in terms of your upgrades, your downgrades, your initiates. It's a great way to see what's happening before the market starts. You'll see your merger and risk arbitrage. This comes from Merger Brief, one of our contributors. You'll see your top overnight and early morning headlines from EGN, Early Global News. You'll see analyst meetings and conferences. Really important to know, folks, this is the information that professional traders use on a daily basis. You'll see your daily economic calendar for the morning and the rest of the day. Very important, especially now what's happening both domestically and globally. You need to be aware of what's happening out there. And of course, you'll get your syndicate information. These are your common stock offerings, your mixed shelves, anything that companies use to raise money, and it's really important to know what's happening out there. So this is all in a part of the morning routine and going into the actual trading day. But what a great way to start your day. And again, if you're not a subscriber, ask us about it. We'll be happy to have a conversation with you. So in our morning routine, you get a lot of information. So you'll get your initial morning mashup email. You'll get your EGN Early Global News. You'll get your morning mashup, which has your analyst activities and calendar and syndicates, and your merger brief, merger and risk arbitrage information. You'll get your universal calendar links and what's happening for the rest of the day. And you can access all of this information, obviously, from the TradeXchange forum, the TX forum. Our squawk begins at 7 a.m. and you can do research and filtering, if you will, using our market stream and feed that we're always working on, folks. We're always looking to improve our service and product line. So we know that your trading day is big, right? We know that you're using a quote system. You want best possible prices and prints for your trading, and you want reliable technology. We understand that, but what's really important, in addition to that, you want really a robust pre-market information. You want to understand what's happening in the marketplace, and you want to understand what actually moves markets on a daily basis. And this translates into what we call high priority and actionable news. This is information in terms of option information, insider transactions, company filings, social media based information, so much other stuff that goes on a daily basis that it's just awesome. The amount of information that you get that's actually usable, that you can use on a daily basis. So what do? We provide this information using our forum, Squawk Audio, Feed, and Market Stream. The Feed and Market Stream are one thing. It just depends what people call it. So our objective is to provide you less noise. How do we do that? We source thousands of sources of information. But we our objective is to provide you a very clean environment, and our objective is to provide you industry-leading contributors, and that's what we do, as you've seen with the other slide. And how do you access all this information? You could access it through PC, laptop, Mac, tablet, smartphone. Very easy access, very fast access. You don't have to download a thing. Really straightforward process. What we're really psyched about, we wanted to tell you what we're working on, so exciting, is our TX mobile app. Here you have some pictures. It's actually already on the Android system, soon to be on iOS. And so everything you get with the TradeXchange, you get on the app. This is your market stream, your forum, your Squawk audio, your morning mashup, EGN. You get a nice discussion room. You actually get a currency calculator. We'll show you some other picks. The one on the left is your access to the Squawk. You get your access to the TradeXchange Twitter feed without actually logging into Twitter, which is really cool. You get your morning mashup and your EGN links in there. You actually get a very cool, we're trying this out. Let us know what you think about this, folks. You have a chart, a real-time chart. You have a currency converter. Certainly we're in a global economy, folks, so it's really important. You get your equities, commodities, bonds, forex prices, which is really awesome. I think we really feel that you're going to enjoy this. Also, you'll be getting notifications, so definitely download the app. It's free, and we'll show you where it is. So you'll be getting notifications right now it's on Android, but very soon to be on iOS. The one on the left is what the iOS is going to look like, and on the right is what your Android smartphone will look like as well. So we are on Google Play, and we're coming soon on iOS. So we're so stoked to do this, and it's just been really exciting. So what are some of the other things that we're working on behind the scenes? We're working on a dedicated options feed. It's a little bit similar to what we're working on the market stream. Similar structure, but it's just going to be all options. It's so if you're an options trader or you're an options buff, this is a great way to do it. Also, what are we working on? We're working on providing you regular technical analysis webinars. This is only for members only, and we're really happy to do this, but we have some great folks that are so knowledgeable about technical analysis, and what a great way to do it. Also, what we're working on providing you folks independent research on stock specific or maybe industry specific research, and again, this is something that we're working on very quite feverishly, and we're really excited about. So I think you'll really enjoy what's coming down the pike. And folks, our philosophy, you'll be very surprised by prices that the TradeXchange offers. Our goal at the TradeXchange is to offer everyone the same competitive resources that all financial institutions receive at a price that anyone can afford. So folks, reach out to us for really great pricing. We have amazingly competitive monthly pricing. We have discounted annual pricing. You'll be absolutely amazed for all the information that you're getting. This is almost 11 hours of information from, let's say, 6 in the morning Eastern time till about 5 in the evening. It's just awesome information. We think you're going to just enjoy it. And again, no contracts, no fees. The price is the price, and that's it. You can cancel anytime, but there's no contracts, no fees. So definitely, folks, reach out to us. You can reach out to us using the email, obviously, the TradeXchange at thetradexchange.com. 203-939-1250 is the phone number, or on the online at www.thetradexchange.com. Folks, we'll be glad to hear from you. Always feel free to reach out to us. And again, so many cool things happening at the TradeXchange. If you haven't looked into us in a little bit, give us a shout. We'll be happy to hear from you. Folks, thanks for tuning in, and wishing you a great rest of the day.